In the service of the King. I am happy in the service of the King. I am happy, oh so happy, that I can listen to the King. In the service of the King, there is love and I will pray. I am peace and joy and blessing in the service of the King. Dito lang ako nakasaksi ng Jewel the Three Voices.